I grew up in New Mexico near the Rio Grande River, and it's farmland, hay fields, and it's beautiful. It's really beautiful there. Living in my house, I was stuck there. I felt like it was in a prison. Every time I looked out the window, it was the same thing every single day. Some days I wouldn't even come out of my house. After I had that wild idea of getting the van, 2 weeks later, I went and got a van. But we didn't actually get started converting the van until April or May of this year. My dad built this whole thing up. I wanted to try to do it myself, but no way I could have done this by myself. He was there with tools and bad words. I love to travel. I love to see new things. It's awesome, and it's exciting to see something different, something you've never seen before. I don't have a big mortgage payment every month. I don't have to pay for electricity or, utility bills, really. I would say I'm saving a lot of money. In van life, you're somewhere different every day. So I feel like I'm living more in my van than I was living in my home. Hi, my name is Susie, and this is my tiny home on wheels. This is a 2017 Ford Transit 250. It's got a 6-cylinder gas engine. Up top we have 200 watts of solar and a max air fan. In the back, so here I have laundry. This is my laundry basket. In the back here, there's a bunch of random stuff. I keep jumper cables, cleaning stuff. Back here, laundry detergent, a fan for the summertime, toilet paper. And then here I keep my art supplies. And then here is an extension of my closet, I guess you would say. And then for the windows, I put some Reflectix, and I painted the back with acrylic paint and stuck it on with Velcro. Here I have cute jackets, and then also Reflectix stuck with Velcro. Welcome to the inside of my van. Coming from a house into a tiny home, I didn't know how I was gonna feel. I wanted it to feel as big as possible. I chose white because it's like a blank canvas. I can think more clearly that way, and I can decide how I want to decorate my space when I find the right stuff to put in here. This is Gizmo. I've had him for 4 years, I think. He's a Chihuahua. Actually, he was left at a baseball park, and my sister actually found him. And so we've taken care of him ever since. He's just the cutest thing in the world, huh? These drawers here, I guess I would say it was my vanity closet area. So up here, I have like toothpaste, toothbrush, hair stuff, and I guess a junk drawer also, just a everything drawer. In this drawer, I have my shirts, underwear, shorts in this drawer. And in this bottom drawer, I have pants, pajamas, and sweaters. So the solar, I have 2 100 amp AGM batteries and a 2000 watt inverter. So here I have all my snacks. You gotta have snacks, right? So, and I gotta go shopping for more snacks. So chips, cookies, Kool-Aid, candies. And then down here is Gizmo's drawer with his food. And then I've got it's a 6-gallon water tank. And then these are all my sand dollars that I find at the ocean. In here, I have my laptop charger for easy access right away. So I keep that in there with all like beach stuff, beach towels, umbrella, beach blanket. And then here's my little fridge. It's a Kaluli. I just got it and I have not hooked it up yet. Down here I keep trash bags, and then there's a extension cord. Okay, so here is my vanity. I keep all my makeup and stuff on over here. This sink was a double sink. I don't know where my dad got it from, but he had it, and we cut it in half and used it for here. My faucet is just a little, I didn't want a whole bunch of plumbing going on, so I found this on Amazon and I rigged it to make it go the way I wanted it to. So if I just press this button, I've got water, or if I press this small button here, it'll stay on. Under the bed, I keep shoes in just in this little basket here. In here, I have cleaning supplies, lotion, more bathroom stuff, an extra toothpaste. And in here I have easel to paint with, more like painting stuff, my laptop. This is full of charging cables and stuff like that. And then here is my emergency toilet. My bed, I guess it's a twin bed. I just got a foam mattress from Walmart, king size, folded it in half, and I said that's the size of my bed. And then here I put one of those command hooks on here to hang my purses, you know, for easy access when you're in a hurry, just grab your purse and go. My TV, I love this thing. It's a smart TV. I use it all the time. In case it's not working, I have my iPad that I stuck some of these command strips, and I just stick it up here, and I'll use this if in case the solar is not getting good charge that day, or it's cloudy, or there's no service. Like if I go camping like to the mountains and there's no service to watch anything on this TV, I have movies on this that I'll use to watch TV. I feel very at peace near the ocean. I have a lot of anxiety, and when I'm near the ocean, I don't need to take any medication for my anxiety. It's very therapeutic for me. It just all goes away. It's my happy place. I just love it. I love it there. I used to live in San Diego a long time ago, and I would find these sand dollars, and anytime I'd find them, I'd get so excited that I found them. I love to be creative. I love colors, and I love creating things, and the sand dollars I find, I've decided to turn them into like little charms. It makes me happy knowing that they're not just thrown away or broken. I'm turning them into something I think is beautiful. And I feel like I'm at the beach when I see them. So I feel like home. Life is way too short to be just thinking about things. You want to do something, go do it. Go make it happen.
What's it called?
It's a coolio. I don't know. I always forget my words. I'm trying.
You're doing so well.
Why are you laughing at me?
Calm down, psychopath.
Oh, Travis.
Thank you. But you don't feel that in the desert at all, huh?
No, I hate it. You want me to be honest?
Well, it's because we're in a desert, and they're going to be like, why the fuck is she in a desert? She fucking hates it.
Because you made me.
I didn't make you do shit.
Made me come here.
You wanted to come
You made
here.
me come here.